Alrighty, so if you are watching this, give yourself a pat on the back for making sure that you are doing everything that you can possibly do to understand what we are doing. Okay, so this is your homework number 1. It's the first assignment for quarter 2. Okay, everyone starts fresh with their grades. So technically everybody has A's right now, and we want to try to keep that as best as we can by making sure we're completing our assignments. Now remember, homework is only 20% of your grade, but doing your homework is going to prepare you for all the quizzes and unit tests that we take. That is 60% of your grade. Okay, so it's kind of like practicing before the big game. The more you practice, the better you're going to do. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Okay, it's a division. So that means we do have to do that keep, change, flip on it. And always, you need to show your work. Okay, so I would rewrite this as 3/5. I'm going to change it to multiplication. And then I'm going to have to flip this as an improper fraction, which is 15 times 1 plus 3. So that's an 18. Well, instead of 18 being the numerator, 18 now is the denominator. And then 15 on top. Now, if you want, go ahead and multiply across, but then you're going to have a huge number to try to reduce. So I want to go ahead and simplify now. I know 5 can go into 5 and 15, so I change them. And then I also know that 3 can go into 18. I'm going to change those as well. Now, sometimes you'll have where you still cross cancel and still need to reduce. And it's a negative because we had different signs. And if you know your integer man, if you have a positive and a negative, the only thing that's left is a negative answer. Okay, so 3/6 really is a negative 1/2. And that's my final answer. So make sure you are showing your work, following our rules. Okay, so if you did the notes, that should help as well. All right, I'm going to do number 3. Okay, so first thing you need to do is, because it is a subtraction problem, we want to get rid of that subtraction. We are going to keep change so that we have our adding of the opposite. So this is really addition, and the opposite of a negative is a positive. So that means they have different signs. Okay, if we have different signs, that means we subtract. Okay, if you want a bonus point for watching this video, over here, put a smiley face. And if I see a smiley face on your work, I'm going to give you a bonus point. Okay, so go ahead and do that real quick. You don't have to write the +1, but that's what it's for. Okay, and then I also need those common denominators. So we can use 12 as our common denominator. But because I know I'm going to have to subtract, the larger number goes on top. So 4 is larger than 2. And because that is my larger number, I know my answer is a positive because it's a positive. All right, so then 4 times 3 is 12, so I need to take 3 times 3 to get 9. All right, 6 times 2 is 12, so 5 times 2 is 10. Now this is a regrouping problem. All right, we are going to need to borrow from this 4 and add 12 to make our 17. Now I can actually subtract. Okay, I know we're going to have a 12 on the bottom. 17 minus 10 is 7. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is a 1 7/12. Okay, so make sure you're looking and paying attention if you have same signs or different signs, so it helps you. Okay, remember, if you have subtraction, you're going to need to do your keep, change. If it's division, you're going to do keep, change, flip. Okay? Alrighty, make sure you get this turned in so I can give you feedback and you have something to review before the test on Thursday. Have a great day.